Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving my entire staircase some TLC. So we're going to be vacuuming, we're going to be cleaning the baseboards, the handrails, and also deep cleaning the carpet. So this is how it is looking right now. We try to make it a habit to not wear shoes upstairs, particularly on the carpet in general, downstairs as well. So it doesn't get too bad, but I like to try to deep clean my carpet before I start to see stains or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I hope this video gives you a little bit of cleaning motivation to get something done around your home. Alright, so I have this little Bissell vacuum that I got from Walmart for I think around $19.99. If I can find it, I will link it in the description for you guys. But I love it because it is super lightweight, and it's like a 3-in-1 situation. So you can use it like a regular vacuum, or you can take the handle off and vacuum your stairs, which is what I use it for, or you can take the bottom piece off and use it for like your car or your couches or little nooks and crannies that you can't normally get with it in this position. So this is what I am doing now, you guys. I am so happy that I bought this little vacuum. Lugging my other vacuum up the stairs was just kind of a hassle, and it would hurt my back. So having something more lightweight definitely helps make this process a lot easier. Alright, so now that we're done vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and clean the baseboards and the handrails, and I'm using this It's Totally Awesome. I think I got this from Dollar Tree if I'm not mistaken, and I really like it. It works very well. I wanted to use this one specifically because it doesn't have any super harsh chemicals, no like ammonia or bleach or anything like that. I didn't want to use something like that close to my carpet and risk, you know, getting some bleach stains or anything like that on my carpet. So this worked perfectly. So as you guys saw earlier, my baseboards were quite dusty, so it definitely needed this good clean. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section, you guys. I love interacting with y'all. So now it is time to deep clean the carpet. So I have my Bissell carpet cleaner. Put in some water, and now I'm going to go ahead and put in the cleaning solution, which smells amazing, you guys. So I'm only using about a half a cap full because this stuff is super potent, so you don't need a whole lot of it. I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in, put the top on, and I'm also going to go ahead and put on the attachment to clean my stairs, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm showing you guys here that the attachment has a trigger, so when I push that button, it releases the water in the cleaning solution. So I'm showing you guys here how I spray the cleaning solution on one section of the carpet. The mist is super fine, but I don't like to spray the water while the attachment is directly on the carpet because it saturates it way too much, and that is not what you want because it's going to take forever in a day to dry. So just lightly spraying the section is more than enough to give it a good clean. And it never fails when mommy is cleaning one of my babies, they will pop up. All right, you guys, so we are done. The staircase is nice and clean and refreshed. Hope this gave you guys a little bit of motivation to get some cleaning done in your home, whether it's laundry, dishes, or deep cleaning your carpet too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every last single one of you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share if you would like. Also say a prayer for those who are in Texas. I'll see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.